Good morning students, welcome back to the class 11 subject accounts as we are going with the topic trial balance. But in today's lecture we will not go with the sums of trial balance, but I'll go with the all process where you can identify debit and credit and how it has been transferred to ledger and ledger how it is impacting trial balance. Because one of the students of our school has asked the question that they do not understand how to make debit and credit, and one more question he has been asked that related to sales purchase and sales return and purchase return related issue. It is not been mentioned in this year's syllabus, so it is not been there for you this year, sales return and purchase return. But you should be knowing that purchase return and sales return ultimately gets impacted in trial balance also. But I'll try my best to understand you what is sales return and purchase return. But if you want to study a specific topic like purchase return and sales return, it can be only possible when the school gets started. For your benefits, do not worry about this. I'll make sure that you will understand all that concepts which are been essential for you. And in today's video the process will be little bit longer, so I'll not write being, I'll not write the topic of the headings, I'll not write, but I'll speak it what to write and what to not. But you have to write all the beings related to the answer, and then make sure that all the information which I am written on the board, it will be also in image form in the description of this video, so you can download at any time and you can practice according to your fulfilled needs. So let's begin with this question. First I am reading the question and I'll solve out it in the live lectures at both this video, sorry not live but in video. I'll make sure that all the contents are to be repeated. Next part, first we have to study the particular topic. So let's begin with the topic. First topic is, on 1st April 2018, Rohit started business with the capital of for 50,000. He made the following transaction. First point has been said that Rohit has started the business on 1st April. He has introduced 50,000 rupees. So I'll make this entry over there also. But you should study first all the questions and then we have to enter the journal entries, as I hope that you can write the journal entries proper now. Next part is April 2018. On 3rd April, purchase goods from Rita on credit of 20,000. Credit entry has to be passed on that particular journal. Then 6th, goods sold to Mohit 25,000. 4th, cash paid by Rita 10,000. 6th, goods sold to Mohit 25,000. 8th April actually, received cash from Mohit 20,000. 12th, goods purchased from Rita 12,000. 18th, cash paid to Rita 20,000. 25th, goods sold to Mohit 10,000. On 30th, received cash from Mohit 6,000. Many problems occurs because you do not know what is debit and what is credit. Exactly, you have to identify what kind of entry it is. It has to be memorized in your brain and then you can enter directly into ledger. You do not need journal entries every time. If you make a journal entry every time, it will lot of time consumption. If you don't know what entry it is, just try with the working note and make it sure that the entry is correct. If you don't do that, then it will be a mistake for your side, because the question was this: they do not know how to make the debit and credit and how has to be transferred. So I have decided to make a journal entry and then I'll rub this part also and I'll make ledger also. Don't worry, I'll rub this question for making transfer of journal to ledger, and then we will rub this journal and make the trial balance, and from that ledger I'll make it into a particular trial balance. So your doubts will be cleared today itself. Do not worry. So I'll start with the journal entries first. I'll make sure that all the snapshots what I am doing will be displayed in the description itself. So let's begin with the 1st April. I'll do one thing. The common thing has to be written April 2018. This is a common month and year for every transaction. So let's begin with the first entry. First entry says that Rohit started business with a capital. Capital has been introduced in the business. That means it is credit. If you go with the real account says that debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Okay. So here you have to make sure that capital has been introduced. Capital has been introduced in the sense cash comes in. So you have to write the first entry. Cash account debit to capital account. Cash has been introduced and cash is the base of a business. As I already said that I will not write any bin. First thing you have to write on the top journal entries in the books of Rohit as on 2018. So make sure that this should be written on the top, and then in this first transaction the amount of 50,000 has to be mentioned. So I am writing 50,000. Now I said I will not write being, but you have to write compulsory. If it is not been written, then half marks will be deducted automatically. So what has to be written here? Capital has been introduced to start the business. It can be written in this way. Third entry has been third date, 3rd April, purchase goods from Rita on credit. कोई भी अगर क्रेडिट में आपसे परचेज करवा रहा है या आपने क्रेडिट पे किसी से परचेज किया है, तो क्रेडिट के लिए आपको उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन का नाम लिखना है, वो तो आपको पता है। तो मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट। अब जिसका प्रॉब्लम है कि उनको ये नहीं पता कि परचेज डेबिट होता है या क्रेडिट होता है, तो परचेज हमेशा डेबिट होगा। बी क्लियर विद दिस। To Rita account. The amount was of 20,000, so I am writing here 20,000. Here also I am writing 20,000. This entry is also been over. Here you can write it. Purchase goods from Rita on credit basis. You can write accordingly. Now. April 4, it has been said that cash paid by Rita. Rita has paid you a cash. If cash comes, you have to make that credit part has to come into debit. So I am writing here Rita account debit to cash account. Because of that, I can say that the purchase entry has been an impact because the money has been received of 10,000. We will look into this and make the ledger. So make sure that the entries are separated, but debit and credit, all the things are been mentioned over here. अगर आप जर्नल एंट्री करते हो तो जर्नल एंट्री में यहाँ पे क्या होगा कि Rita and Rita gets cancelled and the entry will be purchase account debit to cash account if the cash payment has fully made. So Rita and Rita will be cancelled. So we cannot cross that Rita account on both sides, but we have to make reverse entry to make sure that the entry gets perfect in journal entry. I hope you are understanding this. Now we are going forward with the 6th question. Goods sold to Mohit. Now on 6th. Sales always comes on credit side. So you have to write Mohit account debit to sales account. Mohit has been goods purchasing of 25,000. You have to write 25,000 goods has been sold to Mohit. Now on 8, if we are talking about on entry number 8, On entry number 8, it has been said received cash from Mohit. Here Mohit is debited, but we have to write on credit side. So what we will do? Cash account debit to Mohit account. I always say that if cash has been received, the credit transaction has to be reversed. So I have done that reversed part. So while receiving the money of 20,000, so Mohit has paid the amount of 20,000. I have written over here also. You have to write being accordingly. Now entry number 12 has been mentioned. In entry number 12, it has been said that goods purchased from Rita. Again, the same entry will be coming as purchase account debit to Rita account. What would be the amount? The amount is 12,000. So I am writing here 12,000. 12,000. Now, here it has been said that on 2018, cash paid to Rita. We have paid the cash on 18. So here entry will be Rita account debit to cash account. The amount will be 20,000. 20,000, 20,000 respectively. Now, here on 25th it has been said that goods sold to Mohit. Again, the same entry will be coming on 25th, but the amount will be changed. Mohit account debit to sales account. Amount will be 10,000 respectively. So I am writing here 10,000. 10,000. I think that you cannot see the last part over here. So I am writing the entry over here to understand this. On 38th, I'll make sure that snapshot will be taken for you and it will be displayed under the video. Now, on 38th, I am writing direct entry so you can understand this. It has been said received cash from Mohit of 6,000. So 6,000 money has been received. So what we will do is we will write cash account debit to Mohit account. Amount will be of 6,000 respectively on both sides. So this much entry are being mentioned for you. I am taking a snapshot for this so that I can share to you in the description itself. Now, what I'll do, I'll rub all the questions over here. I have the entries over here. I'll make a ledger now here, and then we will carry forward with the trial balance. Okay, now we are going into the next type where we have to transfer from journal to ledger. Before doing this, we have to identify how much accounts we have to prepare. So this will help you in journal entry. So I'll count it and I have written already over here. So it will be easy for you to understand. Now you can see that here it is cash and capital. So we have to make two capital account and cash account both. Now here you can see on April 3 there is a purchase and Rita account. So you have to prepare more two account. One is Rita and one is purchase. And when we go into the sixth entry, we find that Mohit account debit to sales. So we have to find sales account and Mohit account also. Wherever the cash has been repeated again and again, you should not prepare a separate account for the cash. Cash will be debit or credit. You have to prepare only one account in ledger where you have to make sure that the repeated part has been written on the debit side or credit side. Your question is that how to transfer trial balance, that will be solved through ledger only. So be concentrative, as I hope that you are knowing that how to transfer your transactions. So first of all, I have accounts already, just name and I need to name it on that particular account. Here on top there is no space, so I'll write here itself so you can understand that what account it is. So I'll start with the first title is capital account. Capital account. Then I made a cash account. Make sure that whenever you prepare a ledger, the cash account should be a little bit bigger. Cash, sales and purchase should be bigger. So you can write all the entries over there. Now, here I am writing purchase account because you cannot see on the top. That's why I am writing over here. This is a purchase account. Now, next is sales account. Then Rita account, Rita's account and Mohit account. Mohit's account. This much account has been taken care of it. Now, make sure that when the entry are you using, it has to be written perfectly over there. Now, you go into the cash account. So, I am not writing April 2008 because already space shortage is there. So I am writing directly date on first. We have to take care that on capital side it has been set credit. We have to go on the credit side and write by cash account. The amount will be 50,000. This is the first entry where I am writing 50,000. And in cash is on the debit side. You have to write on debit side first. You have to write to capital account. Amount will be 50,000. I know that it is not visible, but I am making sure that the snapshot will be provided to you accordingly. Do not worry about this. Now, we are going into the third entry. Third entry says that purchase account debit to Rita account. So I have prepared purchase here and Rita. So in purchase account debit side, you have to make sure that on third to Rita account. The amount of 20,000 has to mention over here. Then here it has been mentioned Rita account. In Rita account, you have to write that you have purchase will be on debit, but in Rita you have to go credit. You have to write day 3 and write by purchase account. Amount will be 20,000 respectively. Now, these two entries impact has been completed in ledger. Then on fourth Rita account debit to cash, it has been sent. Here the cash has been received. On Rita side, you go on Rita side, write on debit side. On fourth, you have to write to cash account. The amount you have received is 10,000. This will help you to make a trial balance also. So what I will do, I will not make a separate trial balance, but I will make it here only debit and credit so that you should understand the balancing, how it is working. Okay, so debit and credit is also been mentioned for trial balance purpose. My concept is not this. I am concentrating on trial balance, but because your question was being asked how to transfer, we don't know, that's why I am doing this much. So please concentrate on this. One entry has been completed on fourth. Rita side we have write cash, but on cash side you have to write on fourth by Rita account. The Rita account balance you have to write 10,000. The fourth entry is also been done. On sixth, Mohit account debit to sales. On Mohit account debit side, you have to write a date of 6 and write to sales. Amount will be of 25,000. You have to write 25,000 over here. I hope you are understanding. The entry which is given, it has to be gone on that particular side and write the amount. Is it clear? Hope so you are doing that. Good one. Now, it is been said to sale. You have to go on the sale side, write the date on 6, write by Mohit account. By Mohit account. The amount will be of 25,000 respectively. Now, we are going into 8 date on April 8. It has been said that cash account debit to Mohit. Here again we have to do the entry. On cash debit side, you have paid the cash. You have received the cash cash account debit to Mohit. You have to pay. Cash has been received from Mohit. So here you have to write to Mohit account. On cash side, you have to write to Mohit account as 20,000 here. I am writing 20,000. But in Mohit side, on 8, by cash account has to be written as 20,000. So this much entry has been transferred to ledger. Now on 12, purchase account debit to Rita. Again we have to make sure that on 12 Rita has purchased. So I am writing to Rita account. Here the amount is 12,000. So I am writing here also 12,000. Hope so you are clear with this. Now on this I have to go on Rita account and I have to write by purchase. On 12 by purchase account, it will be of 12,000 respectively. Now on 12 it has been over. Now we are going into 18. Rita account debit to cash. Now we have to write again on 18. Rita had paid cash to cash account. The amount will be of 20,000. Here we have to go into cash. We have to write on 18 by Rita account. Sorry, 20,000. This much are being transferred from journal entry. Now we are having more 2 entries. We have to pass 4 entries over there. So Mohit account debit to sales. Again I am writing here on 25th to sales account. Amount will be of 10,000. Okay. Now we have been selling that part to Mohit. So here we have to write 25th by Mohit account. Write it as 10,000 over here. Now this entry is also been completed. On 30, cash account debit to Mohit. Mohit has paid cash. So here we have to write on 30 to Mohit account. Amount will be of 6,000. On Mohit side we have to write on 30 by cash account. Amount will be of 6,000. This much has been passed from journal entry. So be careful with these tags. Now what we have to do exactly, we have to make the balance forward. So I will write all the balance forward here and then we have to write the balance brought down side amount on debit and credit of every trial balance. So I'll do one for you. You should understand this. Okay? I'm making this line. So I get total over here. The total is of 50,000. So what we will do? We will write here 30th April to balance carry forward. It will be of 50,000. Total will be tallied. This much is been done for ledger. But on 1st May, it has been transferred as by balance brought down as 50,000. You have to write this amount on credit side. So I am writing this on credit side, it is 50,000. Hope so you are understanding this. If you do not feel that it is not been appropriate, you can ask the question again. Now, what we will do again a tally mark. Again I am doing for cash, so be careful with this cash part also. In cash, it has been said that 50, 90 and 70 and 76,000 is the total on debit side, whereas 30,000 is over here. So that means the highest number has to be written on debit and credit side. Here you have to write 30 April by balance carried forward. The total amount will be 50, not 50, but 46,000 will be balanced. This 46 will be transferred to debit side as on 1st May to balance brought down 46,000. This 46,000 is to be written over here, 46,000 on debit side. I said brought down value has to be written over here. So I hope you are understanding this. Now, here you can say that the amount will be on debit side because 32,000 is been given here. Here it is not been given a single thing. I will not write this now because space is not there, but you have to write it in your book also. On 30 April by balance carry forward as 32,000. So here the balance is on credit side, but you have to transfer on debit side. That purchase is 32,000. Actually, in trial balance, you have to make sure that the balance which are being carried forward to next month, it has to be entered over here. Okay, I am doing for sales also. Sales are having 35,000. Here also balance is 35,000. But make sure that on 32 balance carry forward 35,000. But if you transfer to next month, it will be on credit side as 35,000. Now Rita and Mohit account, I will do one thing. I will make all the effect over here itself. I can add this. This is a 30,000 and this is a 32,000. So I will write 32,000 as a balance on both sides. Okay. But Rita has to be given as 2,000 rupees because 2,000 rupees is being balanced. So you have to write 2 balance carry forward on 30th April. On 1st May, you have to write by balance brought down as 2,000 rupees. It is on credit side, so I am writing on Rita side credit 2,000 rupees we have to pay. Okay. Now on Mohit side it has been said that the amount is 35,000. Here also 35,000. But we have to minus this. So 9,000 rupees we have to receive. So here I am writing on 30 by balance carry forward of 9,000. It will be transferred over here downside 3500 as 2 balance brought down on 1st May. Hope so you are listening to me. This amount of 35,000 but 9,000 amount has to be transferred over here. 9,000 will be written on debit side as 9,000. This is how trial balance are being prepared. I have made this statement for trial balance. Make sure that I have done this for trial balance. So I'll take a snapshot for you. Okay. This much has been done for you. That's it for today. Thank you.